guys, welcome back to part 3 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, in the previous part, we saw the holistic process flow of affiliate marketing business and the various moving parts in it to build your affiliate marketing game. Now, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the top 5 essential tools that are required to build your affiliate marketing business. And these aren't just your ordinary tools, but they are proven ones which are going to help you build your affiliate marketing game. And at the same time, it will help you to scale you faster. Now, if you have not watched the part 2 of this series, then you can always check out the video on the top right of your screen, or you can check out in the description box below. But before that, if you're really tired of watching all those hype-filled videos without showing you the exact strategies and real how-tos, this is the channel that is going to break it down step by step, and no fluff, just real strategies that are working right now. And if you really want to build your affiliate marketing business, then hit the subscribe button below and I will show you the exact blueprint most gurus would charge thousands for. So let's get straight to my screen and let me show you each one of these tools. So the first tool that will be required is Bluehost, and if you check out my affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach the bluehost.com, and you don't need to pay anything extra if you buy through my affiliate link. It will just help me to put out more valuable videos for you. So once you come to this Bluehost, you can go and click on this get started button, because first you need to buy your domain. So you need to have your own custom domain, and when you come down over here, you can see these 3 different plans, which are basic, choice plus, and e-commerce essentials. Now, as a beginner and a complete newbie to this affiliate marketing game, go for the basic plan, which is going to be good enough for us. So once you go and click on this basic plan, so which is $2.95 per month, and when you click on this choose plan, so when it comes to buying the domain, there are 2 parts. One is buying the domain and the hosting of the domain. So buying the domain will be free for the first year, and the hosting will be charged, and from the second year, both domain and hosting charges will be added together. So now let's buy a new domain. I'm just going to type it as Manogar Affiliate Marketer and Manogar Affiliate Marketer. So always buy the .com domain to be more original. Click on search for the domain. So you can see this domain is available. So the next thing that you need to do is that before buying this domain, you need to go to a tool called MX Toolbox. It's a free tool, and you can just copy and paste this domain to check if the domain is blacklisted or not. So once copied, you can go to a tool called MX Toolbox, and under this you can go to the blacklist tab, enter this domain that you're going to buy and click on blacklist check. So you can scroll down and see whether are there any red flags to buying this domain. So you can see everything as green, so it is good, and you can go and buy this domain directly. So this is an important step that you need to do before buying your domain. So here you can see this under the cart, you can see this WordPress basic hosting. This is good enough for us, and it's going to be 1 year, and if you are going to be in the long game, you can always choose 3 years also. So you can see this domain is free for the first year. Domain privacy and protection, which is $11.88. And if you want, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can just click on remove from cart. So this is going to cost you around $35.40 in total. And then you can click on this continue to checkout. So here you need to enter your first name, last name, your country, the address, and state, province, city, email ID, and then you can enter the password on the create your own password, and you can enter your billing information, whether it's going to be credit card or PayPal, and then you can click on the submit payment. Once the payment is done, the domain is ready for use. So we have seen how to buy the domain through Bluehost, which is the first tool. Now the second tool that we want to see is email warming up software, which is called Warmbase. Now you can check out the link in the description box below. So once you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Warmbase. Now this software is required to warm up your email address. Now, why do we need to warm up our email address? Because whenever you buy a new domain, and from the new domain you're going to create your email address, now that new email address has to be warmed up before sending emails to your subscribers. Normally warm up your email address at least 45 days to 90 days period to get good deliverability. And the minimum I would recommend is to at least warm up for at least 30 days. So once you scroll down, you can see the different plans available. So you have the starter, professional, and advanced plan. Now as a beginner, you can go for the starter plan. Perfect for those who are sending daily email sending below 100, and it's like $9 per month per email address. So it's going to be good enough, and you can go and click on get started. And once you are going to scale and you're going to send more than 1,000 emails or 2,000 emails per day, then you can move on to the advanced plan. So you can go and click on this get started button. Now you have to enter your name, email address, and password for the Warmbase account, and you can click on I'm not a robot, and then you can sign up, and it will take up to you for the payment informations. And once you make the payment for the number of accounts, then you can start using Warmbase. Now after you have signed up for the second tool, which is the email warming up software, now the third tool that will be required is your funnel builder, which is called Leadpages. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach the page for Leadpages. Now, Leadpages has changed this UI most recently. I guess it's maybe less than a month. So, Leadpages is going to be the funnel building software where you're going to build your squeeze page or opt-in page or bridge page and all those stuff. So, it's going to be cheaper and cost effective, and at the same time it gets our job done, and it's perfect for an affiliate marketer, which is most important, because you have other options like ClickFunnels and Go High Level, but Leadpages is most cost effective and it's very beginner friendly. So once you come to Leadpages, you can click on this pricing plan over here, and Leadpages has an important option where they are going to give you 14 days free trial. So you can always use those 14 days to try out your different options, like building your own landing pages, bridge pages, and from there you can move on to your paid plan. So when you scroll down, you have this standard, pro, and conversion plan. Now it is pay yearly. Now when I click pay monthly, you can see the standard plan is $49, pro is $99, and conversion is $697. You can go for the standard plan as an affiliate marketer and a beginner, where it allows 5 landing pages to be built. So that will be good enough for us, and 1 custom domain, and there is unlimited traffic and leads, and you also have 200 plus conversion optimized templates and best in class conversion tools, and it also supports integrations with other softwares. So Leadpages is very important because it integrates well with our other softwares, right? So that is an important point when it comes to affiliate marketing business. So you can go for the standard plan, which is $49 per month, and if you have the budget, then you can go for pay yearly, where you're going to save almost $144. So if you have the budget, go for the yearly plan, and you can click on the start free trial. So you will have 14 days of free trial. So you can click on the sign up with your email, and here you can enter your first name, last name, email address, and your account password, and then click on get started. And in the next page, you can enter the payment details, and you can cancel it at any point of time during the first 14 days of the free trial. So it is risk free. Now we have seen how to get our Leadpages software for funnel building. Now the next and the fourth essential tool for our affiliate marketing business is one of the most important, which is the email autoresponder. Now, there are so many email autoresponders out there on the market. The one I recommend for an affiliate marketer is AWeber. Now, AWeber has got the best deliverability, and it's a cost-effective options compared to all other ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, and all those stuff, but they are not affiliate marketing friendly. And if you're going to send so many promotional emails and sales emails, they are going to kick you out of the platform. So AWeber, which I'm using currently in my business, is the best one, and I strongly recommend you go for AWeber. Now, when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page, AWeber. Now, AWeber has also got 14 days free trial, which they have implemented like a week back. So let me tell you which plan you should choose. So over here, you can go to the pricing option. So here you can try AWeber free with a 14-day trial. So you have this 14-day free trial for both Plus and Light plan. But the one I would recommend you to go for is the Plus plan. Now, why do I recommend Plus plan? Because under the Plus plan, you have the option where you can remove the double opt-in feature. Now, what is this double opt-in feature? Now, whenever an email subscriber is added to your email autoresponder, right, they are automatically sent an email from AWeber to them, and once they confirm again, then they are added to your email autoresponder. Now, this will reduce the number of leads that are getting into our subscriber count, and this will affect our affiliate marketing business. And that's why I recommend you to go for the plus plan and not the light plan. Now you have this option of monthly or annually. Now I would recommend you to go for monthly option, especially when it comes to email autoresponder, because email autoresponders are not going to be that friendly. Now you can just go and click on this monthly plan and you can select the plus plan, and here you can click on the start your 14-day free trial. So you can use all these features for 14 days for free, and then from there you will be charged. So you have this option of build annually and build monthly. Just go for the build monthly and you can just select as have 500 subscribers. And when you scroll down, you can enter your first name, last name, email address, billing address, city, your country, and you can enter the credit card numbers and expiration date and code, and finally you can go and start your free trial. Now you won't be charged for the first 14 days, so you can use it for free, and after the 14 days you will be charged, and it's a risk-free. You can cancel at any point of time during the 14 days free trial. Now we have seen the email autoresponder. Now the final tool, which is the most important one in our affiliate marketing business, and it's going to act as a central command system. It's going to command every other software, and it's a tracking software which is called Opt-in Dojo. Now when you click on the affiliate link in the description box below, you will reach this page which is called Opt-in Dojo, the tracking software. So up your email marketing game like a boss. Now Opt-in Dojo shows you which traffic sources are responsible for your front end and email sales without the need for complicated setups. So that's going to be an important thing. Now this doesn't require any complicated, and you don't need a technical knowledge. So when you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the different plans available. Now here you can see this 3 different plans are available: Marketer, Pro, and Guru plan. Now these are monthly options and it costs you $37. Marketer plan, Pro plan $77, and Guru plan $147. Now as a beginner, you can go for the Market plan, which is $37 per month, and it allows 10,000 actions per month. So, and it allows unlimited conversions, unlimited funnels, unlimited tracking links, 1 custom domain, and 1 year data retention. So you can go and buy this, and if you really have the budget, then I would recommend you to go for the annual plan, where it will be like $27 per month, and you can save $10 every month. So if you have the budget, go for the annual plan. Now you can go and click on this get access now button. Now Opt-in Dojo is a software that doesn't have free plan, so you obviously need to pay them to use it. Okay, so you can enter your first name, last name, your email address, username, password, and once you enter this next, then it will take you to the payment page where you can make your payment. Now Opt-in Dojo has 2 important functions. Number 1, Opt-in Dojo can track all your solo ad vendors clicks and how the clicks are responsive, whether the email is responsive, what is the open rates, what is the click-through rates, and where the clicks are coming from, which country. And the second point is that Opt-in Dojo can automatically move a lead whenever they purchase anything from your email automations or email broadcast, automatically from your main list to your buyers list. Now this is important. Now why is the buyers list important? If you're promoting any products, for example, on ClickBank or Warrior Plus or JVZoo, Digistore, anything. So whenever you promote a product on these platforms, whenever you make a sale and you get a commissions, do you know the exact buyer who has bought these products from your affiliate links? No, only the product owner or the platform on which you're getting this affiliate link is going to know the buyer's email address. And even if you ask them, they are not going to give you this buyer's email address. Why should they give you? So as an affiliate marketer, we need to get this buyer's email address, and the only way is to have this tool called Opt-in Dojo. So, and you can build your buyer's list, and the importance of buyer's list is to send more and more promotional emails, affiliate products to these buyers, so that you can make more and more revenue out of these people. Because there are 2 sets of people. One is the freebie seekers, another is the buyers. Freebie seekers are not going to buy you anything, and these buyers are going to be repeat buyers every time, and they are going to buy products more and more from you in the future as you build your know, like, trust. So these are the 5 tools that are required for you to start your beginner affiliate marketing business. Number 1, Bluehost. Number 2 is going to be your email warming up software, which is Warmbase. And number 3 is going to be your Leadpages, which is a funnel builder. And number 4, your email autoresponder, which is AWeber. And number 5, and the most important one, which is your tracking software, which is Octane Dojo. I hope you guys go and get signed up for these tools, and you can always check out the links in the description box below. In the next video, I'm going to show you the top 5 affiliate platforms that you need to sign up for in order to promote the affiliate products. So please hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss the next video where I'm going to show you the most important 5 platforms that you need to sign up in order to promote your affiliate offers. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.